Okay, so you can pause this and have a go, or you can just watch the video. Do this for all the questions. So I'm just going to go through a few questions that kind of tend to appear quite a lot, and we can't afford to waste easy marks. So here's a list of numbers: 9, 11, 13, 15, 16 and 30. From the list, write down all the prime numbers. So prime numbers, exactly 2 factors, and factors are the whole numbers that divide in. So on a calculator paper, you can even use your calculator. So obviously the standard one is, we know that every single one has like 1 times 9. Then does anything else divide into 9? So if I was being really lazy, I could go 9 divided by 2, that's decimal, that doesn't work. 9 divided by 3, oh, that goes in. So because 9 divides into 3, we know that 3 times 3, so that is not a prime number. Did the same for 11, 1 times 11. Does 11 divide by 2? No, it's a fraction. Does 11 divide by 3? No. Does 11 divide by 4? Does 11 divide by 5? And obviously once you've done a few of those, you might be like, okay, that's looking to me like it's going to be prime. So that's that one. 13. We know it's 1 and 13. Do the same again. Well, it's not even, so it's not going to divide by 2. It's 13 divided by 3. Does not 3 times table. 13, it's not going to divide by 4. It's not going to divide by 5. And again, okay, 13. 15, 1 times 15, we should already know. Anything that's got a 5, we should be saying, well, it's definitely in the 5, so 5 3s. So that is not a prime number. 16 is even, so 1 times 16 and 2 times 8. So again, that's not going to work. Ends in a 0, so I know it's 1 and 30, 2 and 15, so too many factors for that one. So the only 2 that are definite primes are 11 and 13. So patience if you've not learnt them already. Okay, question 6 then. This one's all about factors, and make sure you read in the question. So Gary writes down 4 different factors of 30, doesn't tell us what they are. He adds the numbers together, he gets the number greater than 20 but less than 30. What 4 factors could Gary have written down? So before I do anything, don't really know much about Gary other than he's working with factors of 30. So I'm going to firstly just quickly write down all the factors I know of 30. I can even use the calculator to help me. 1 times 30, right, 1 goes in. Does 2 go in? 30 divided by 2, yes. 2 goes in, and 2 pairs with 15. Okay, so 2 times 15. Does 3 go in? Well, I hope we can see that one. 3 and 10. Check, does 4 go in? So 30 divided by 4. That gives me a decimal, so that's not going to go in. 5 definitely goes in. Again, if you want to use your calculator, what does 5 pair with? 30 divided by 5. Type it in. 6. I'm about to do 6, but it's a repeat, so I don't need to go any further. So it says Gary writes down 4 different factors. It could be any of these. So we've got 6 to pick from. No, I can't add. 1, 2, 3, 8 to pick from. He adds the numbers together, so 4 of these numbers I need to pick. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I add them together, it's bigger than 20 but less than 30. So if it's less than 30 and I've got to add 4 together, straight away I can cross 30 off. Okay, I could just try some options now. I could try 1, 2, 3, 5. And just quickly, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, but you should be thinking that sounds pretty low. It's only going to be 11. So I need to be bigger than 20. So I'm going to forget the 1. What if I change that to 10? So 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, that's 20, but it says it's greater than 20. So because it says it's greater than 20, that's not going to work, so I just need to change one of these again for a number I've not got. So actually if I change a 2 for a 6, that should work. So use your calculator. 10 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5, and that's 24. So that will work. There'll be more than one answer though, so if you've got a different pair, as long as they are from there and they work and they're less than 30, so not including 30 but not including 20, so as long as your pairs are up to 21 all the way to 29, you'd be correct.